You know, one of my many talents here on YouTube is throwing shade, and I do it really well. And something I'm seeing a lot of lately is Mavic 3 videos. And I think it gets people's hopes up that this drone is going to be like Superman or something. And the reality is no drone, no hardware, no camera is going to make you a better cinematographer. It's not going to make you fly better. It's not going to make you a better pilot by no means. And because of that, I don't think you should wait for the Mavic 3. No matter which way this video goes, I'm gonna have a split audience. I'm gonna piss somebody off, but hear me out, so stick around. Guys, what's going on? OriginaldoBo, and today we are talking about why you should not wait for the Mavic 3. But before you do that and listen to this whole video, I want you to do me a favor. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And at the end of this video, if you like everything I said, smack the like button. If you didn't, tell me to go f myself and hit the dislike button. Okay, so reason number one, you should not wait for the Mavic 3 is because it's not announced yet. And because it's not announced, we don't have any specs, we don't have any features, we don't even know the price of this drone. And I think that is the biggest reason why you shouldn't wait. Reason number two is there are plenty of capable drones on the market. The Mavic 2 Pro is still a plenty capable machine. And on Black Friday, it's going to be like $13.45 or something like that. And if you combo that up with a smart controller kit, it's going to be like $2,000, which is an incredible value. I mean, that thing was like $1,700. So that's almost $400 off. And that drone, honestly, is one of my favorite drones of the year. And I can't recommend it enough if you are looking to do professional work. Reason number three is because there's always going to be something new. Remember the Phantom 5? Neither do I, because it never was launched. And a lot of people waited and they were like, I'm gonna wait for the Phantom 5. I'm gonna wait for the Phantom 5. And then it never came. It hasn't came. It may come one day, I don't know, but it hasn't come yet. And if you're always waiting for the next best thing, you might as well always wait. And the reality is, as the drone laws get tighter and tighter and tighter, like a snake constricts its prey, you're going to have less time to fly. And right now I'm enjoying flying, and I fly literally, quite literally every single day, whether it's an boring environment, like just around the beach where I've flown thousands of times, or it's flying a house for a client. I enjoy what I do and I like to fly. And because of that, if you have a Mavic Pro and you're thinking about upgrading, it's not a bad idea to think about the Mavic 2 Pro or even the Mavic 2 Zoom. Those are both very, very capable drones. And if you want to go even cheaper, you always have the Autel Evo, which is a nice option. Obviously, we all saw photos and videos of what is the proposed Autel 2 that's already hit the FCC database. And of course, you can definitely wait for that. But anytime you wait for something new, definitely expect to pay a premium at launch. And something like the Mavic 3, I'm just gonna throw out some figures here. The Mavic 2 Pro right now, $1,700. I think we're going to see a substantial price increase of the Mavic 3 and upwards to, $1,800 or so, if I had to guess. But again, there's not a lot of information out there, and I hate to see people sitting around waiting, especially around the holidays. They wanna get a drone, they wanna fly, maybe they wanna start an aerial photography business, or they desperately need an upgrade over like a Phantom 3 Standard because it flew over the Las Vegas Strip and almost caused an accident. So this would be a good time to buy something like a Mavic 2 Pro, or hell, even the Mavic Mini is a good choice. If you end up with a Mavic Mini, it's $499 for the Fly More kit. And then if the Mavic, 3 comes out, maybe you can sell the Mavic Mini or keep it as a good backup and then still buy the Mavic 3, but again, wait until all the bugs flush out. But there's other options. Hell, even Skydio is a good choice option right now. Granted, they aren't shipping probably as soon, but given the fact there isn't enough substantial evidence to support a confirmed release date or pricing, I would say don't wait. It's silly to wait. And every time I hear spec warriors talk about drones, I get caught up in it too. I just have to chuckle. I have to laugh, because the reality is you can fly total crap and still make something look good if you have the skill and the know-how. A great channel is Drone Film Guide. They do amazing work, and they did an amazing video with the Mavic Mini that just shows how capable a little drone is that doesn't cost very much. So you don't need the best of the best. If you're not doing production-based work, why do you need the best? It's not a whose dick is bigger competition, guys. It's drones. Fly them now before we can't fly them at all. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this very quick video. I'm sure you'll get all pissy and mad and panties in a bundle, but if you like, I am selling fly underwear. In the link in the description below, they are $12.99 per pack. You get a 3 bundle pack. It's great value, and they are dry fit underwear. They feel great, super nice, silky, slide right across the bed. All right, that got dark quick. I'll see you next time. Stay original.